Hello children, this is Renu Tomar from APS Mathura and you are in your maths class of class 5. So in this session we are going to deal with large numbers. Seeing unusually large numbers on TV in a program, a boy named Rahul got perplexed and wondered how I will read such big numbers. There he got set and decided to learn about large numbers. So he went to his teacher and his teacher taught him how to read large numbers. So let us clarify everything and learn about large numbers. So important tip for you to write the numbers in word form is write it as you read it. So children, the way you read it, you just have to follow the same in writing the number. So let's have an example here. This is 36504. So how will you read it? 36,504. So children, before learning more about large numbers, let us review some concepts. Let us revise. So these digits which you are saying here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, these are called digits. They can be combined to form different numbers, and combined numbers are different in the sense that they have different values. Now let us study about place value and face value. Face value, it's the actual value of a digit. Face value of 989,765 will be 9 only. Now place value. The value of a digit based on its position or place in the given number is place value. Place value of a digit will always be equal to face value multiplied by its position value. Like let us see an example here. It is 89456. How will you read it? It will be 89,456. So place value of 8 will be 8 multiplied by 10,000 is equal to 80,000. So as you can see here, face value is multiplied by the position value. Now in order to learn more about large numbers, we are going to see what do we mean by Indian place value system and what we mean by international place value system. Now we've seen what place value and face value of a digit in a number is. And now we are going to study these two conventions. One is Indian and second is international. So let us start with Indian place value system. So starting from the right, we divide the place value system in 3 periods. The first period consists of 3 place values called the units period. Next periods consist of 2 place values called the thousands period. Next period also consists of 2 digits or 2 place values called the lakhs period. We separate the periods by putting a comma while writing the numbers. Now we know that in any given number, any digit has a given place in that number. And if we want to find the place of any digit, we start with the rightmost digit. And the rightmost digit is always said to be at the ones place. Then place next to ones is tens. And then we have hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakh. And as and when we move one step to the left, we keep on appending one more zero. Now here we have taken one example. This is 93,58,706 and we have put all the digits of this number in their respective place values. So the number in the standard form can be written as shown, putting commas, separating the periods, and in words just follow the tip that write as you read. So while reading a number, all the digits in the same period are read together along with the name of the period except the ones period. Now this number in words can be written as 93,58,706. Now coming on to international place value system, here again we have 3 periods and each period consists of 3 place values. Now a number is taken as an example here. First of all, let us see what the place values are in respective periods. So in units periods we have ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands periods we have thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and in millions we have millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Now taking this example and putting the digits in their respective place values, we have. Now while writing this number in standard form, we put commas to separate the periods, and in words we write as we read. All the digits in the same period are read together along with the name of the period except the ones period. Now in international place value system, a very important thing to note is 1 lakh here is equal to 100,000 and 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. Okay, now let's read this number and put commas according to the international place value system. You should remember that while reading a number, all the digits in the same period are read together along with the name of the period except the ones period. So now we can read this number as 3,528,176. We can write whole numbers in 2 forms, standard form and expanded form. So standard form is the standard way of writing a number, that is writing a number in numeric form or in numerals. Now the other way is expanded form. It's the extended way of writing a number. We use the values of each digit to write the number. Example, as you can see, it's 95 lakh 3,520. So will be equal to 90 lakh plus 5 lakh plus 3,000 plus 500 plus 20. So children, now here's an exercise for you. You have to write the following numbers in the expanded form, and in the second question you have to write the number name of the following numbers. So do it yourself. Now coming on to the order relation, that is comparing of numbers. So first of all, you have to keep in mind rule number 1. The number with more digits is greater than the number with less digits. As you can see, 25 being 2-digit number is greater than 9 1-digit number, and 356 being 3-digit number will be greater than the 2-digit number 89. Likewise, you can see the other examples. Next, rule number 2. To compare two numbers having the same number of digits, we start comparing the digits from the leftmost position. So here let us see some examples. In first example, 251 is greater than 193. Why? Because in the leftmost position or place value, we have 2 and 1. 2 in 251, 2 being greater than 1. That is the reason 251 is greater than the other number. Okay, now let's see the next example. Here we have 8,07,632 greater than 8,07,395. Now why? Because as you can see, the first 2 digits are same in both the numbers. Third digit being different, that is hundreds place, we have 6 and 3. So that is the reason. 8,07,632 will be greater than 8,07,395. Now let us see which is greater of 3,51,761 and 22,92,873. So let us compare. In both of the numbers we have 6 digits. So we compare the digits at the leftmost positions in the 2 given numbers. The digit on the leftmost position of 3,51,761 is 3, and the digit on the leftmost position of 2,92,873 is 2. Since 3 is greater than 2, therefore 3,51,761 will be greater than 2,92,873. Now let us see which is greater of 87,05,321 and 87,02,358. So in both of the numbers, digits are 7. Now the digit on the leftmost position of this number, that is 87,05,321, is 8. Again, similarly, the digit on the leftmost position of the other number is also 8. So 8 is equal to 8. So now we compare the next digit. Digit next to 8 in first number is 7, and the digit in the digit next to 8 in this is 7 again. So 7 is equal to 7. So again we compare the next digit. The next digit to 7 in both the numbers are again equal. Therefore we compare still the next digits. The digit next to 0 in the first number is 5, and the digit next to 0 in the other number is 2. But 5 is greater than 2. Therefore, 87,05,321 will be greater than 87,02,358. So based on the concepts which have been taught, kindly complete the textbook exercises, keep practicing, keep learning. Thank you, children.